Dear students, in this video we'll deal with the next topic of chapter number 2 of class 11, that is kinetic molecular model of the gas. You have studied various gas laws, but the explanation for the gas laws can be done on the basis of the kinetic molecular model. We'll deal that in the later video, but here we'll deal first with the postulates of the kinetic molecular model of the gas. The gas is made up of large number of very small molecules of mass m compared to space between them. It means that a gas is made up of very small molecules, large number of molecules which are considered as point masses because they are very small. There is no attractive force between the molecules, so they are free to move. They can move easily from one place to another. Motion is random and ceaseless, and collisions are elastic. Random and ceaseless means non-stoppable. They move constantly from one place to another and they are not stoppable. And the collisions are elastic. It means that the energy and momentum, total energy and momentum of the molecules will remain conserved. It will not change. And in non-elastic collisions, these two factors will not remain conserved. Pressure of the gas is the force exerted by the gas per unit area on the walls of the container when they collide with the walls of the container. That is called pressure of the gas. And average kinetic energy of the colliding molecules is directly proportional to the absolute temperature of the gas. Next we come to the distribution of molecular speed. Although the molecules, they constantly collide with themselves and also with the walls of the container. Therefore, at any instant, there is a continuous change in their speeds and hence their kinetic energies. Their speed and kinetic energy at a particular instant keeps on changing and it ranges from very low to very high. उनकी स्पीड कॉन्स्टेंटली चेंज होती रहती है, कभी कम हो जाती है, कभी ज़्यादा हो जाती है, उसी के बीच में वैरी करती रहती है. बट इवन दो द स्पीड ऑफ इंडिविजुअल मॉलिक्यूल्स इज कॉन्स्टेंटली चेंजिंग एट अ गिवन टेम्परेचर, द फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल्स विद अ पर्टिकुलर स्पीड रिमेन्स कॉन्स्टेंट. Although the speed changes constantly of the molecules, but a fraction of molecules with a particular speed, एक particular speed पे जो fraction of molecules show कर रहा है speed, वो constant रहता है. And this is called the distribution of molecular speeds, which is also called as Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law, which because this is given by these two scientists, Maxwell-Boltzmann, and therefore it is termed as Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution law. Now you can see here in this book, this is a graph shown in which the distribution of molecular speeds for two gases have been shown, nitrogen and chlorine. This is the curve for nitrogen, this is for chlorine. At 300 Kelvin, on x-axis we have taken molecular speed and here fraction of molecules. Now here you can see the maximum point of the curve has been shown and written as UMP. This is the most probable speed. That means the highest fraction of the molecules shown by the maximum in the curve, that is highest fraction of molecules having a particular speed, is shown at the maximum point in the curve, that is termed as the most probable speed of the two gases at a particular temperature has been shown. And because nitrogen is lighter in weight as compared to chlorine, so it will have the higher value of the most probable speed because this UMP is inversely proportional to the mass of the gas. Now let's come to the there are three types of speeds. The first speed is the most probable speed, that is the speed possessed by the highest fraction of the molecules shown by maximum in the distribution curve. So the maximum point in the curve, suppose this is the curve, the highest point in the curve shows the maximum highest fraction of the molecules, which shows the speed is shown by the maximum in the curve, is called as the most probable speed, which is directly proportional with the temperature. It means it increases with the temperature. If temperature increases, then UMP will increase, and decreases with increase in mass. If mass increases, then it will decrease. Next is most average speed, which is the mean of all the speed of all the molecules. These are the speed of different molecules, U1, U2, U3, UN upon divided by number of molecules. You add all the speeds of the molecules divided by number of molecules will give you the average speed of the molecules. Mean square speed is a measure of the average kinetic energy of the molecules. It is shown by U square bar. If you square all the speeds of the molecules divide by number of molecules, you will get the mean square speed, and if you square root it, it is called as root mean square speed, which is shown by URMS symbol. Now there are three speeds, that is UMP, most probable speed, average speed, and root mean square speed. So the relation between the three speeds have been given as, this is URMS is greater than UAV, that is average speed, and is greater than most probable speed, means the most probable speed is lowest and URMS is the highest, and the ratio between the three, UMP is to UAV is to URMS, is 1 is to 1.128 is to 1.224. This is the ratio between these three speeds. This shows about the distribution of the speeds, molecular speeds in a gas, and the next video will deal with the average kinetic energy of the molecules.